Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover Zalando account. To start the process, open your Zalando application on your mobile device. Then tap on Sign In. Now enter your email address. Then tap on Forgot Your Password. Here tap on Get Reset Link. As you can see, they sent you reset instructions to your email address. Now open your Gmail application. Tap on that mail. Here tap on Change My Password. Now enter your new password. Enter your new password again to confirm it. Then tap on Change Password. As you can see, your account has been successfully recovered. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.